Welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will discuss 10 best stylish backpacks for women with buying guides and reviews. Choosing the best stylish backpacks for women is crucial for ladies who want to mix fashions with utility. These chic backpacks for women have visual appeal and valuable features to fit any lifestyle, whether for work, level, travel, or daily use. In the top 10 fashionable backpacks for women are listed below. Each has been carefully chosen to meet various demands and tested with its features and styles. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Calvin Klein Ariana Novelty Key Item Flap Backpacks Mushroom. Features: it is an elegant and classy design that goes well with various ensembles. There are multiple ways to wear it thanks to the convertible strips. Roomy interior for storing everywhere necessities without adding work. Extended use is ensured by a robust material. Number 2, Lavouk laptop backpacks for women. 15.6-inch work business backpacks features spacious and equipped with a separate laptop compartment, a USB port, a built light right in for charging mobile device, waterproof construction for weathering proof. The chic color palette elevate any assemble. Number 3, Lavouk backpack for women fits 15.6-inch laptop bag. Features: feature to prevent theft for extra security, large volume, and several organized divisions. A USB port is built right in for charging mobile devices. Items are protected from the element which waterproof designs. Number 4, light flight travel laptop backpack for women 15.6-inch anti-theft backpacks. Features laptop or department and a large capacity for simple organization. Material that is smarter to keep your possessions safe during inclement weather. For mobile device charging, there is a USB charging port. Number 5, women's fashion backpacks, purse, multi-purpose design, convertibles, satchel handbags. Features: stylish and adaptable convertible design for a variety of applications. Large interior with several organized sections. Extended use is ensured by robust material. Lightweight design ensure comfortable carrying all day. Number 6, Mesiso 15.6 to 16-inch laptop backpack for women's polyester anti. Features: that prevent theft, improve personal item security. Stylish backpack for women. A touch user can benefit from the ease of a USB charging port. It is convenient to carry and travel with thanks to the luggage strap. Number 7, Purity women's backpacks, purse, pure leather, anti-theft, casual shoulder bag. Features: longevity and ease of maintenance are guaranteed with the robust PU leather. Personal items are more secure with anti-theft measures. Roomy and well-organized interior for holding necessities. Variable carrying choice, increased adaptability. Stylish backpacks for women. Number 8, Kuluki backpack, purse for women, large women backpacks, leather travel backpack. Features: stylish design that appeal to those who are fashion savvy. Leather that is long lasting and low maintenance is ensured. And there is plenty of room for storing everyday necessities. Organizing pockets help to keep things in their proper place. Number 9, Crosshair laptop backpacks, 17 stylish backpacks, water repellent, college. Feature the fashionable collet exterior add to the visual attractiveness. Sufficient storage capacity for all necessities. Items are shielded by water repellent coating. Mobility is made convenient with the USB charging port. Number 10, uh, CYUREAI Women's Convertibles Die Bag Laptop Backpacks features your laptop is kept safe and secure with enough storage. Convenient gadget. Charging is ensured with USB charging port. My ear protection is provided by a fabric that is resistant to water and elegant look is appropriate for many situations. Now we are going to share some customers' feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshots on the screen which are helpful to you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our officially website www.bestpurchasepro.com/slash stylish backpacks for women slash. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thanks again for watching.